This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking in the Quick Strike class and configuring perks that amplify mobility and stealth. Begin now. Equip a melee primary or lightweight SMG, pair with a fast secondary, and assign double time and fast hands to shorten cooldowns. Once done, load smoke and concussion grenades to create space. These throw off enemy aim and open flanking routes. Make sure to bind Sprintifier and Melee on an accessible key, so you can execute the first aggressive engagements without fumbling. You now focus on movement patterns that exploit Quick Strike strengths. Move along edges and use cover. Once you see or hear a target, dash in for a fast melee or short burst, then retreat to reset engagement distance. This hit-and-run rhythm prevents you from being traded easily. Also, coordinate with teammates so you create crossfires and bait opponents into your path, because you trade mobility for raw HP. Maintaining tempo and choosing when to disengage is how you win sustained fights. You finish encounters by isolating one opponent at a time and committing quickly behind smoke or after a flash. A single clean melee or burst seals the deal. Once an exchange ends, reset, reload, use stim or cover to heal if available, and reposition to a new angle to avoid predictable routes. If you find yourself dying too quickly, reduce direct aggression and swap a mobility perk for body armor to survive trades. This simple change buys you time to reapply pressure effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.